Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix SteamVR 301 error for the PC. Okay, there are a couple of different solutions, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is restart the PC and SteamVR to see if that works. Of course, you want to use the task manager to open Control, Shift, and Escape to ensure no Steam processes are running. Restart your PC, launch SteamVR. The next thing you want to do is launch Steam as administrator. This helps some people on Reddit. So how do you do that? You want to close Steam. Go into here, right click and say close or exit Steam. You want to go to C, program files, x86. From here, go to Steam. And from here, Steam. And from here, you're going to see steam.exe. You want to right click this and go to properties. And from here, you want to click on the compatibility tab. And from here, you want to click on run this program as administrator, hit apply and hit OK. Okay, the next thing you want to do is make sure that the vrserver.exe is already running in the background, or I should say you want to close it. So you want to open the task manager, so Control, Shift, and Escape. And then you should see something go to the Processes tab, which is open by default. And I don't have it running right now, but you'll see something called vrserver.exe. You want to find it, and if it is running, you want to right click on it and say end task, and then start SteamVR once again to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is go into the library, uninstall SteamVR by clicking on manage, uninstall, then reinstall on SteamVR to see if that fixes the issue. And some people on Reddit have mentioned that updating Windows has fixed the issue, especially on Windows 11. So you want to go to settings, scroll down on the left hand side, go to Windows Update and check for updates and install all of the newest updates. I need to do it. After you have installed the updates, launch SteamVR to see if that fixes the issue. And these are all the fixes I have found for this error. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.